Hey guys, it's Heather. I'm sharing with you today the way that I do the scrapbooks for my kids. It's a great memory book, a great gift to give them when they get older so they can look back on all of their memories from childhood. So what I did is I picked up these books from Amazon. They come with the little gold pens. They have so many different colors to choose from, and it's completely self-adhesive and 40 pages. Another thing I pick up are a bunch of different markers just to kind of make it fun. Course, have some scissors and then stickers. I'm big into stickers and it just makes it look really nice and fun. And the brand Bloom has some really great stickers. I love using them for my planners. So they have all different ones like seasonal, productivity, all different really fun stickers to personalize the book. And I'm going to link everything down below in the description with links so you can quickly find it. So once you have all your supplies, I've been keeping folders of all my kids, like different schoolwork, pictures, so on and so forth. So just kind of go through what you have, see what you want to include, and then make a list what you want to include and then what you don't have. So then what I did was I printed out a bunch of pictures from like birthdays and all different memories that I didn't have, because in a digital world now, we don't really print out pictures anymore. So I printed out a ton of pictures so that I could go in and chronologically go through each event in each year, all the holidays, Halloween, birthdays, so on and so forth, to just save little memories from each stage of her life. Now, I found it easiest to just sort everything by year. And then once you have it by year, you can go through and put birthday, Easter, so on and so forth throughout the year. Otherwise, it's just a big old jumbled mess with like all of these memories. And this is just the way I chose to do it. You can do it any way you want. I also separated out pictures of cousins and with grandparents, and then just of her activities. So her gymnastics, I'm going to make a completely separate book, and I'll show you what I'm going to do for that. So it's going to be a memory book just for her gymnastics. So that'll be a nice keepsake for her when she gets older. So I have everything pretty much sorted out here. Her gymnastic stuff, I'm going to move over and put it with another book. And then the rest of the pictures, I'm going to go in and put them into folders now to make it easy. And then I have some artwork that I'm going to be sprinkling in here and there into her book just to make it fun, like little footprints, little things that she's created in daycare and school throughout the years. So my grandmother made one of these books for all of her grandchildren when she was sick with cancer. So it was just really nice for us to have after she passed. I'm starting the book off with ultrasound pictures. I just thought that would be nice to just show her that, she's on the way, and just a nice keepsake to have. And I just added in some stickers and then newborn pictures, of course. And doing these books is always like a game of Tetris, just trying to see what fits and, cutting things in and adding things in after just makes it really fun. And I'm a big fan of the adhesive because you can always go back and add things in, and that's the beauty of it. And the marker that they include in this book, and by the way, this book is $15, $20 max. So these are just the little envelopes where I put all the pictures. But anyway, getting back, the marker is great. It glides so smooth. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't feather. So that's a nice little bonus that comes in the package. So here's just a little look at how it's going. And I also like to just write in some things here and there, just make it personalized, add a little character to it. And then once you get everything in the folders, it's just so easy that way, because then you can just go year by year, like Christmas and through everything, and just add in what you need, because it definitely will make things go faster. I started this in the summer and I just worked at it a little bit at a time. That's why you can see in some of these shots, I have nails on, I have nail polish, I don't have nail polish. It's because it takes a really long time. And I like to take my time with it and just do a little bit at a time when I have spare time. But just keeping everything nice and neat and organized in the folders, it definitely helped things, stay neat, and I could kind of tuck it aside, just work on it a little bit here and there. And my mom also made me a book like this when I was younger, and I still have it, and I love it, and it's great. But what a good gift to give to your child for their high school graduation or college graduation, just something a little bit different and just so personal and just so special to have all the memories that they can look back on and, show their kids, and it's nice to have to remember your parents by. My mom included so many pictures of my dad and nice things. He passed away when I was really, really little. So it's great to have those memories and pictures that I might not remember, but I have them in a book. So next to the pictures, I like to put the year and just like little tidbits of things that maybe we did or like what time it was, just like a sticker as like a reminder of what it is. And looking back, I feel like maybe I included way too many photos, but it's so hard to choose. And then there's so many that I didn't. Like everything's digital. Everybody keeps all their pictures on Google Photos or Facebook or whatever. So it's so hard when you have thousands to choose from to just pick a few. I don't know. I just had such a hard time picking out just a few. And then I feel like I picked maybe too many. And another tip is your kids get tons of artwork. And I save some of this stuff, but you can't save everything. I mean, you could, but that's a lot to store. So I've been taking pictures of some of the stuff. Some of the stuff I keep, but some of the stuff I've been taking pictures of. And then you can include the pictures within the book and then have a nice page or 2 pages dedicated to their artwork. I think that's a nice way to go about it, especially if you have a hard time passing on those projects and, you get sentimental or whatnot, which, I mean, I think that we all do. It's hard to just get rid of everything, but that's a nice little idea. Some other things you could include is like maybe strands of hair from their first haircut, really anything that you want. And with the adhesive, it's so nice because you can just peel it back and then just push the film down and over it, and it really does stay nice in place. So this book with the 40 pages got me through maybe like 4, almost 5 years. So I'm at the end now. I got another book and I'm going to finish. And then I will also do a video if you want to see with just like her gymnastics and how I'm going to make that one. So let me know in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to film it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is exactly how I organize everything to scrapbook. And I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.